Wolfie here. I am here with Animal Lover. She has a new channel, so please go check it out, because if you don't check it out, then you're just not a part of the Wolfie fans here, okay? You're not a part of our Wolfie fan or Wolfie club. Okay, so today, sadly, knowing Wolfie's not in this video. Sadly, she couldn't make it because she's at her grandma's house right now, so we have to do this alone, and we're gonna go do it with her, but oh well. Yeah, so we're gonna do a try not to laugh challenge. As you can see, we got some face paint. So, we're gonna do a try not to laugh challenge, but with water. So, right now, we're gonna start it, so let's... So I swallowed, because she spit it out. So I get a point. Okay, first we need to get the paper for that. Yeah, you go grab it. 1 sec, it has to restart. Alright. Okay, so she's gonna go grab the paper for that real quick. Just talk to them. Okay, yeah. How you feel about winning the first round. Okay. I think it's pretty fun, because, I mean, I didn't actually think it was all that funny to me. Maybe because I can gain so much control. Okay, so, she's got the paper. She's gonna make the scoring for it. Okay. Next. Okay. So this is the scoring. As you can see, it is the scoring. Let me turn on the light so you can actually see. Yeah. Okay. So I have 1 point. She has 0. Okay, that's better. All right. Okay. Now let's continue. Okay, so let's get some water. Water. Cheers.
Can I find this in Arlington? Let's see how long this is all around. This guy is probably close to 5 feet. Texas rat snakes are going to be one of the largest snakes that's found in the Metroplex area. Congratulations. What's the pace of this competition so far?
Okay, it lasted too long, so I just had to. It lasted way too long.
Yeah, you can only record for 16 minutes on that. Oh no, not 16, 15. So you have to make it 15 minutes
Okay. Okay.
or less.
All right. So we only did 2 points.
So that means I get a point.
Yeah, we only did 2 rounds.
Do you know what?
I only stopped.
This video is like not that funny, so
Yeah.
we're gonna do extreme.
I only stopped it because I didn't actually laugh at that. I only stopped because it wasn't very funny and it had lasted way too long. But I'll still let Purple Wolfie have that. Well, now we're gonna do try not to laugh extreme. And if you want to, you can do this with us. Yeah, but.
Sorry, boys. So, is that what water looks like when it passes in your mouth for a long time?
Okay, anyway. So,
Try not to laugh challenge animals. Impossible to do.
we're doing an animal one. This is gonna be really hard.
Or really a commercial.
Yeah,
Okay.
the
Sorry,
animal-
it has. I think it has an intro first. Okay, there we go.
Yay. Okay, I got another point. Give me the thing.
No, I won't do it.
No. Give me it.
Fine. Darn it, I lost that round.
Yes. So, I have 2 points. She has. This is the scoreboard.
I think we should wipe off our mouths. Okay, I'm gonna go get some paper towels and tell you how you feel for you're in the lead right now.
Okay, yeah. So, it's pretty fun. If you want to follow along and do this with us, yeah. If you're enjoying this video, give a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to Purple Wolfie. And yes, so we're up for the next round.
It smells like cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. Okay, well, this is going to be. So, we're going to end the video here.
No.
Yes, we are.
Oh, I'm supposed to start the dishwasher. Sorry.
We're going to end the video here.
We're not gonna end it right here.
Okay, we're going to have one last round. And then.
This is like the funniest like animals or like the funniest. So 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, so it ended in a tie. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Have fun. Okay. It ended in a tie. So no one really won. But it ended in a tie.
Actually, we are going to do a part 2 of this.
Yes.
We might do it with Snowy Wolfie.
Yes. Hopefully. Comment down below.
And then we'll add another.
Yes. Comment down below and tell us who won in your Try Not to Laugh challenge. And, well, bye everyone. And
We'll see you. Make sure to subscribe to Animal Lover.
peace. Peace out.
Peace out, Wolfie.